What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Life of Hulo. My name is Kyle and Tyler's over there somewhere, but what we're gonna do today is put on some BC racing coilovers for my Mazda Miata. We're not really gonna show too much of the process of it. We'll see if we can do a couple time lapses. We lifted it up, took all the wheels off. Here's Tyler over here loosening some of the bolts already. He's having fun. The tools I think you'll need is a 14mm for the top sockets, or the nuts. Don't know the technical term. And then 17mm down below. And then here is the BC Racing coilovers I got. Nice and shiny. Have no idea which one's supposed to be for which, so don't yell at me. Don't make fun of me. But we'll figure it out, and hopefully we'll put it on the right direction. And hopefully we only have to do this once and not adjust the ride height later. So pretty much what it comes with. It comes with all four instructions, cool sticker.
God, you want to know how long this bolt is, huh?
That's why people said to use an impact drill.
I've got to be almost there. It can't be much longer. Oh, they were almost there.
Okay, so there's, with the fronts, there's one bolt underneath, which is what, 17mm. Then you have the two up here that you gotta loosen. Then we should be able to put pressure on the brake and loosen it. Well, like I said, I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. And actually, I can show you kind of the tires. A little sneak peek of the tires I got. Got a Nitto NT05 with some Koenig, what do they call it, dial ins?
I have no idea.
Okay. Alright, well, I think they're called dial ins. That's a little sneak peek before it goes on the car. Got the hub centric rings and had to get some aftermarket lugs. So, alright, let's start this project. Alright, so we ran into some complications. Everything seemed, you know, it's a 20-year-old car, so it took a little bit to get all the bolts loose and everything like that. All of them out, except this bad boy. Let me get a light, maybe.
The light's in the trunk.
Oh God, grab a light. Here we go. Let's see how bad. And this is how bad we messed it up. Oh God, sorry, I'm not really helping with the video.
We don't have the tool to get that off, so I'm taking a break to go get it.
Yeah, so that is literally the only bolt that we have left, or
yeah,
not. I mean,
all the coil, everything's loose other than that.
Everything else
Everything else is ready to go.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take the old ones off.
Hopefully that goes easy. Probably won't.
Yeah, probably not. And then yeah, we're gonna take the old ones off, and then new ones on should be easy. I hope so.
We'll talk to you in about 8 hours.
Yep, 8 hours. It's sunlight out now. Daylight. So, all right. All right. Well, this is day 2 of the coilovers. I didn't want to say day 2, but it is. We took a break because we were pretty frustrated. A lot of stuff happened. We got the rears done, which looked nice, but I don't want to show you the whole setup yet. But I can show you at least the old coilovers that we had in the car. This does not look good. These are the rears. Look how bad that is. It's all smashed up. So we put the new ones in. The only issue that we're having is with the front. Let's just say that nut got stripped, and we're trying to get that done.
All right, so we finally got all our issues resolved. That one strip nut we finally got off. As you can see, the BC Racing coilovers in, snug down. Same on this side. The nut that broke over here on the bracket right here. Had to drill that out. It's all fixed. Here's the coilovers on. We're just kind of cleaning up the mess we made. We got the back tires and stuff already put on, which probably wasn't the best idea, considering our exhaust is about, I don't even know if you can tell.
This is still day 1. It only took us about an hour.
That's a lie. This is, I don't know, 12 hours in.
Are we counting sleeping time, or are we?
I don't know. This is day 2. strip nut, a rounded nut, broken bolt.
Everything that could possibly go wrong went wrong.
Yeah.
We
But,
torqued them to spec.
By that he means
Yeah, we torqued it.
Yeah,
And then,
yeah, we torqued them.
We're gonna try to put the two front.
Yeah,
wheels
put the
on,
two tires on now. Like I said, we're gonna clean up. We've made quite a bit of mess.
and then we get to find out if it rubs or not.
And then I mean, I know what's up on the front right now, so obviously it's gonna be more weight in the back, but that's the clearance right now. Rims look good though. Still gotta put the little caps on. Yeah.
Little Koenig thing. It's not just a hole.
All right, so we'll put the tires on. We'll probably record while we lower it down so we can see it pop all the tires when it lays on them.
All right, put the tires on. Gotta get the jacks. Okay, run this way. Let's take this jack off. Oh, well, I didn't mean to say jack off, but okay. So,
Moment of truth, I guess.
all right, you ready?
You want to just put a chock behind that back tire?
Nah, no, we send it around here.
Where'd you put it?
I threw it away. I didn't think we needed it. Should be over near you. I think I kicked it yesterday.
In your fit of rage, you have fun putting it under there. There's not much room.
I think Tyler showed you how close that muffler is, but we're not gonna.
And that was our fault lowering it and not realizing that we should.
Look at these bad boys.
All right, you ready?
Hold on, let me clean the smudge just in case.
Hopefully we can get the jack out this time.
Oh yeah, I didn't think of that. All right. I think it's recording. All right.
A little fast. Get a little PV blast around our jack. A little noisy.
Please work. Please. Are you clear?
I mean, I don't think the jack's coming out, but other than that, I mean, I think I'm off.
Oh my God.
This car is really low now. I mean, it wasn't low enough before.
Go lower. Can you go lower?
On the jack?
Yeah.
Oh boy, that went a little low. Oh no.
Okay, hold on.
We're good.
It's a fucking race car, Jesus Christ.
Okay, we're out. Oh, that exhaust tip and muffler will be gone in a week.
Alright, we got plenty of clearance. Alright, let's...
turn the wheel yet.
Okay, this looks pretty sick.
It's better after 18 hours of... She thick?
Might need a fitment, but...
Alignment's a little... Steering's a little loose.
Oh my God. Okay, well, we thought the car was low. Now it's really low. We got a good hand clearance. Kyle testing right here. Kyle hand clearance right there. And then, ooh, that's not a fender roll. Oh, wait.
That should be okay. I mean, it might. I may just have to stiffen up the back so it doesn't bounce very much.
Yeah, good idea. Oh yeah, we got 30 ticks of dampening, dude. All right, so we're gonna mess with that.
Here, let me push on it.
We got our muffler. We got our muffler about maybe 4 inches off the ground. There might be another day that we have to raise these shocks up before we get a fitment.
I mean, here, see if it. I'm gonna push down and see if it touches the wheel. Not forget the muffler. Is that hitting wheel?
No.
No?
No.
I'm pushing pretty hard.
Damn, we might not hit anything.
Dude, it's gonna hit. Any little incline coming to our road, this muffler's gone.
All right, well, you take the video. Let me get up.
Oh, it's a little sunny. It's sunny out here.
All race car now, huh?
I guess.
Should I get in and turn the wheel, or do we have to turn that on?
You have to turn it on.
So, after half hour of doing all this, a half-hour job, an hour job?
Yeah, sure. We had our fingerprints all over it. Hopefully we tightened everything.
Yeah, we torqued it to spec, but you can show them that we have 30
Yeah, soft and hard.
yeah, so we can adjust it like 1.
You have no idea what you're doing.
I have no idea. Okay, maybe we don't touch that yet. Hopefully the guys at BC Racing knew what they were doing, so I want to say they were. So I guess the next clip will be us just driving, seeing if it rubs or not. Either a tow truck is going to bring us back to the house,
or we'll just lose our exhaust.
no, I think the exhaust is fine. It's just the front tires.
Turning them?
Yeah.
You mean?
Yeah.
A little sketchy.
Yeah.
It's a little close.
The rims that I got were 15 by 8.
That's really close.
The 15 by 8 Koenig dial in with a plus 25 offset. So this is a NB1 year 2000. If that helps anybody. So
Not that we really showed him how to do it, but oh, you're talking the size?
yeah, like fitting it.
I mean, you said this is the max you can go though, like, and still might rub.
No, we're good, I think. So we'll and then I got an NT05 tire, 205 50R 15, which looks pretty badass. I do save still myself. And yeah.
Showing the old shocks too.
The light might be crucial.
Tell pretty beat
Might not be able to see it because of the light.
Oh, now you're in the shadow. I mean, oh, what? They're pretty bad. All right, probably it for now. We'll get the car fully back together. Probably put this stuff back in. Pretty dirty back there. But,
I'm stiffening her up. Actually, we'll just keep it as it is. We'll keep it as it is. We'll drive it around because we're trained professionals, so we know what feels right.
all right, we'll be back.
All right. Well, if you don't live in Florida, you don't know what these are, but these are a roundabout. You can send it.
I can't. This person's gonna cut me off.
Oh my God. Jesus. There we go. There's the finished product with the NT05s, like I was saying. 205 50 or 15 with the dial in, what was it? Dial in 25 plus 25 offset, 15 by 8 tire. Fits perfect. I think we already said that though, but look at this stance. It's pretty crazy. I'm super hyped, but tires are super sticky too. We live in Florida, so it's a good tire for us. If you live in another state, I would probably, I don't know, but yeah, we're pretty close to the ground, but I don't know, I like the fitment. It's tucked in. We didn't have to roll it at all either. It's pretty damn close, but we didn't have to roll it. This is on the NB1 model 2000. If you have the NAs, I think you have to roll it. Do you have any final words?
I'm hungry.
All right, yep. Yeah, so we're gonna get some food. Besides that, hit the subscribe button, like the video if you've made it this far, or skip to it. And all right, thanks. Tune in for the next video. I think it's gonna be the short shifter. We got that in, so stay tuned for that. Thanks, guys.